This will be a speed test between the two titans of the cell phone world. On the left, we have the Galaxy S9 Plus. This is the US unlocked variant, so it comes with a Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM, versus the iPhone X or the iPhone X, whatever you want to call this phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Messaging on both. There you go. The camera. Calculator on both. There you go. Clock on both. Play Store and App Store respectively. We'll give this to the S9 Plus. Go ahead and click on Lyft and search for this on iOS. And leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. S9 Plus, click on this laptop. Leave it right there. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give that to the S9 Plus. The speed test app. Give this to iPhone X. We're on the same server and run a test on the iPhone X first. Very similar scores on both. Samsung browser and the Safari browser respectively. Search for Amazon on both. Let's go. And a little bit faster on the left. Do a quick scrolling test to give you an idea of the scrolling experience on the browsers. There you go, take a look for yourself. Go ahead and click on the Amazon full site, go. Ooh, which one's quicker? I think the iPhone is done, followed immediately by the S9 Plus. Go ahead and click on this laptop on both. And I think a little bit faster here on the right. S9 just finished. Leave it right there. Mario Run. Loading on the S9 Plus. And the S9 Plus slightly out in front. Go ahead and tap to begin and just close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surf Tokyo, and iPhone X with the comeback. Go ahead and tap to play and stop the game. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands. And the S9 Plus, slightly out in front. So we're gonna go ahead and play on both and close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on the S9 Plus, and S9 Plus is out in front, but will the iPhone X catch up? And the S9 Plus faster on this one. Go ahead and close it out. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, I think the S9 Plus is faster here. And the S9 Plus takes the win on this one. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus. And the S9 Plus takes the win on this game. I'm going to close it out, do the same thing on the X. Twitter on both phones. S9 Plus, and Snapchat, S9 Plus again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything is in the background, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to go on both. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Subway Surf, there you go, ready to resume on both phones. Mario Run on both. And looks like we have a reload on the 10. Or no, we don't. It's just continuing the game. My bad. There you go. No refreshing there. The internet browser's on both phones. Right there, right where we left it off. Speed test app. And looks like we have a reload here on the 10. And ready to go here on the 9 Plus. Adobe Acrobat Reader, ready to go on both. eBay. And right where we left it off on the 9 Plus, and reload on the iPhone, Play Store and App Store respectively, right on left, and another reload on the iPhone, clock on both, there you have it, the calculator, there we go, camera, a little bit of a stutter on the right, messaging on both, there you go, and the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X? Are you old school and rocking the 4-year-old design of the iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 7 or iPhone 6s, iPhone 6? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the latest Samsung Galaxy device with alien technology such as the Infinity Display, etc. Latest Snapdragon processor, 6 gigs of RAM? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.